Meaning of Gustav Holst.
Gustav Holst.
Gustav Holst.
Gustav Holst.
Gustav Holst. Gustav Holst was an English composer who lived from 1874 to 1934. He is best known for his orchestral suite The Planets, which was composed between 1914 and 1916. Holst was heavily influenced by his interest in astrology, and each movement of the planets is named after a different planet in our solar system. Holst's music was also influenced by Hindu philosophy and Sanskrit literature. His work had a significant impact on modern classical music and continues to be performed and admired by musicians and audiences around the world.